G'day guys, how are we? I would say welcome back to me weekend, but it's fucking Tuesday and I don't really have a weekend this week. So I got Tuesday, I got today off, and then I got, I think, Friday off. So it's a bit of a split, a bit shit, but we'll make the most of it. Said I was gonna do a half mara in my last video, so we'll get straight into that this morning. I'll just check in every 7Ks because I know running check-ins can be pretty boring and whatnot. So I'll check in 3 times with yous, and yeah, we'll get straight into this bitch. Oh yeah, and it's also only been like 3 days since I ran 25Ks. So let's do it. See you at K number 7. Just hit 7Ks in. I know I say this every time, but I'm feeling pretty good. I mean, once you get the first few Ks out of the way and your body gets warmed up, heart rate gets going, you can sort of just sit in cruise control most of the way. Not really going for a crazy time. I'd like to hopefully just keep it under 2 hours, but we'll see how we go. Also, for anyone that cares, I do not wear anything fancy when I'm running, as you can probably tell. When the sun's out, the rig's out, literally just wearing boardies and then some Kayanos that I picked up for like half price, probably like 4 years ago, to be honest with you, and they have not missed a beat. So I'll check in with you at K number 14 now. Let's go. Oh, that sun's killing me today. Not a cloud in the sky. Whew. Looking glazed up like a fucking Krispy Kreme donut. Fucking hell. Whew. $14Ks in, bit over halfway. Just still cruising. 5:25 pace. We brought the time down a little bit. In a bit of shade now, so the sun's not really getting to me much. So that's good. If anyone's got any fueling tips on what I should be either eating or drinking while I'm running, let me know, like comment below. Obviously, because I've got no experience in running marathons or half marathons, I just go out there and let it rip. So yeah, if you got any tips for me, drop them in the comments, then I can start mixing them into me training and whatnot. But yeah, besides that, I'll see you at K number 21. Let's go. Right, I've had to cut it slightly short. Had a bit of an emergency, but yeah, overall felt pretty good. Just did the 20. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, ended up doing it in just under 2 hours. Did an hour 49, holding a 5:27 pace. Oh yeah, I'll give you as a pro tip, don't wear grey shorts when you go out running, because I don't know if you can really see, but we were sweating today, that's for sure. Alright, let me go clean myself up, and then I think I'm going to go to some waterfalls, so I'll check in with you when I'm ready. Just waiting for Leroy now to drop in and pick us up, and then we're on the road, so I'll check in when he gets here. Just got the 2-minute warning. Leroy's going to be out the front, so let's go see if he's out here. Where's the fucking Subi whip, mate? Here he comes. Let's see if he gets a bit camera shy. Meow. Uber?
No, brother.
How? Oh.
Good boy.
What?
Oh, fucking nice shorts, brother.
Yeah, not bad, eh? Matching. We've made it to the spot. Leroy's been raving on about these burritos, so we're gonna go give them a go. Oh, I need to grab my wallet actually. That's a good idea. Right, take two, let's go. Here she is, the delicacy, mate.
That thing away, mate.
How you going? Could I please get the crispy chicken burrito?
Crispy chicken burrito. Would you like to add any hot sauce on the side?
Could I get the mild one?
The mild one?
Yes,
yeah.
please.
Anything to drink?
No, I'm all good.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Here,
Sweet, thank you. Perfect, thank you. Here we go. The little chode is here. One bite review, you know the rules. Oh yeah. Shit slaps, mate. That's a fat post-run feed. Let's add some sauce to her.
Not crazy, but it's just like out there and themselves like all the
How many bites?
74,
Burritos are actually my weakness.
It's actually so good.
I used to eat them like every week at home. If I was working near a big shopping centre or something, mate, a salsa's is getting all my money.
If I can just save my spot.
Yeah, I can sit in my car.
There we go, fucking demolish that bad boy. Where was it? Tofino. Taco Fino, highly recommend. For a big fat feed. That was a parking setup, could have been waiting like 30 minutes in line here. Waiting for a spot to get in. Nah mate, just squeeze in right next to the van. Let's see the gap that we're working with here. Oh, that's beautiful, mate. Doesn't get much better than that. Right next to the towaway zone. Let's go. So we've actually got no idea how to get to the falls or where we're supposed to be going, so we've resorted to watching videos on TikTok for how to get there. What do you got for us? You found one?
I'll go for it.
Oh, we're just gonna wing it.
Sure about this beer, girls?
Mate, this is proof that any shoe's a hiking shoe if you take it off-road. The connies are pulling through. Whew. First sick viewpoint of the hike. Fucking not bad. Sweating my ass off, but how's this fucking setup? Fucking light work, mate. Give us an intro.
We can't speak on
Fuck, you're actually flying. "16 seconds. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, boy. Got a strong waterfall sound. There she is. You can barely see it, but
Yeah, the geese come up there.
fuck it, we're going even higher. There she is, ladies and gentlemen, in all her glory. Master.
Let's go for a skinny dip, no?
Mate, the Solomons are no good. Converse hiking shoes the way to go. Alright, let's go jump in this bitch. Fuck, here we go. Oh fuck, it's freezing. Oh my fucking god. Oh, that is like minus fucking 10 degrees. Time to just roast in their sun like a lizard. Fucking sick, eh? Oh, that's so fucking cold. Oh, that's so sick. Leroy. One last look at it before we throw our shoes on and make our way down. So fucking sick. This is your 10-second intermission to like, comment and subscribe. How good's throwing sweaty socks back on? That's just what you want. Let's do it, boy. Back into the wilderness. Technical as fuck, boy. Bit of skipping on the vert. Back to the sick viewpoint, eh? And this is what the way down looks like. Bit of foot traffic jam. Yeah, the connies have really been put to the test today, that's for sure. Hey, they're gripping well.
Until you're on your ass.
We're on a slippery slope there. Fuck, that thing moves, bro. Yes, getting hot again, eh?
Back up for another swim.
Yeah, go for another dip. Here we go. Now it's a bit, the terrain's a little bit more flat now. Yeah, back to base. Back to the Subi whip. There she is in all her glory. She didn't get towed away.
It's gonna be like 1,000 degrees in there.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be cooking. I can already feel the heat coming off it. Little side quest for the day, little Walmart stop in. First time going, let's see what we can find. Done a quick lap around, come to a conclusion. It's pretty much exactly the same as Costco. Otherwise it's like Kmart with a mix of JB Hi-Fi with a mix of like Coles or Woolworths or something. That's pretty much it, that's all I got for yous. All the shit that we're about to steal. There you go, that's Walmart for ya. Leroy's come out 2 hands full.
Poor man's paradise.
He's ready to go for the next 3 months. Got another food review for yous. This is Liam's pick. Spicy dill pickle chips. They fucking slap. If you like pickles, get around them. Thanks, broski.
No worries, bro.
Sick day.
Yeah, that was fucking man.
I'll have to do it again sometime.
Yeah, bro. See you soon. Eh?
Thanks for driving me.
No stress, brother. Catch you in a bit.
I'll speak to ya. See you, mate. There we go, that's the end of the day. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the good shit. Follow me on Instagram at moreofdeclan. And I'll see you later.